How to find Facebook drafts. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can find Facebook drafts, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find draft videos on Facebook or whatever post you might have saved, I will show you on my iPhone, right? So basically I go ahead and open up Facebook, and let's say I just happen to type something such as a random word or keyword, and then I don't want to post this right away. I've even uploaded some kind of photos and so on, and I want to actually go ahead and then save this as a draft. To save this as a draft, I just need to hit the X icon here, click the save draft option. Now that I have saved it, I have received a notification saying my post was saved as draft. But what if I want to access that draft again? Well, on Facebook how it works is that you cannot access that draft from any other way other than tapping on this option called what's on your mind. So next time, even after you refresh and close and reload the Facebook app, when you just tap on this what's on your mind icon, the draft will load automatically. This is the only way you can do it. You don't have an endless list of drafts, you only have the latest draft that you've saved. When you click on the what's in your mind button, the draft will basically load up. Now you can go about posting it. That's simply how it works. As long as you do not post this, as you can see, I'll save the draft, and even if I just go ahead and click the what's on your mind, it's going to open up that draft page. So this way you can find drafts on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.